windmill. Land so far that I can't see where it begins or ends, or where it ends. Or maybe I live with Uncle Brian's house. I live at Uncle Brian's house down by the river, listening to him sing cowboy songs about buffalo and cattle drives and lightning storms. Well, eat pie for breakfast because Uncle Brian likes it, and nobody tells him he can't. And when he goes down to Cheyenne, I live with Mr. Boots, who shoes the horses, and lives in a red barn.
You taping it?
Okay.
With sleeping heads, with our eyes open, listening to the